Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a review on Jeulia Jewelry. So I'm really excited for this, and this is what it came in like. So I am going to show you what I ordered. I ordered a customizable necklace bar. I've always wanted a necklace bar, and I see it all the time on Etsy. And it can be a little bit pricey, but I noticed that Jeulia has really good and affordable prices on it. And you can customize like even the color if you wanted rose gold or silver. And so I'm really excited about this one. So this is what the box looks like. So far I like it. It's nice, black and sleek. Of course there's a little bit of damaging and dents, but then that's pretty much through transit. It's really not their fault or anything. You just never know how shipping is going to be like. But this is called the Jeulia Premium Artisan Jewelry. And I like it. I love these type of boxes. So it opens like that. Okay. So the first thing I see is returning and exchanging little pamphlet. So that's good. I love that it comes with a little manual if you wanted to return it or anything. And then this is what it looks like. Ooh. Wow, this is really nice. Ooh, okay, so it has like this little brochure slash little tiny magazine pamphlet of all the little jewelries that they have. They have engagement rings. Oh my gosh, these are so pretty. I just love jewelry like this. Look how beautiful that is. Oh, I love these. This is not the bar necklace that I ordered because I wanted a horizontal one, but I love the vertical ones. Oh my gosh, I just love that you can customize it and make it your own. Oh my gosh, look, Jack the Skeleton. These are so pretty. So they give you a little coupon inside for your next purchase, which is so enticing. Ooh, and they even have a rewards program, so that's pretty awesome. Okay, and then inside you'll see a little baggie. So if you were to gift this to someone, you can put your jewelry box inside of this. I really like this material. It's very thick. It's like a thick, nice, like sort of like cardboard-ish material. It comes in a little card like this. Oh, okay. Oh, this is cute. I love these. So it comes with a little polishing cloth as well. And these are a must-have with jewelry. And I like to use this even on my sunglasses as well. Am I out of focus? Sorry, guys. Cool. And I like this color a lot. So it feels really good. So put that aside. And this is the box that it comes in. So cute. Cute. Oh my gosh, look how big this jewelry box is. And I can just tell it's really good quality. It has like a nice matte finish to it. Look how nice that looks. That looks so nice, guys. Okay, ready? I'm gonna open it. Ready? Oh my gosh, that is so gorgeous. This is so pretty. Okay, so I got the gold bar necklace. I really like gold, especially because I'm always wearing like gold hoop earrings. And I think they had a rose gold and a silver one as well, but I wanted gold. This is so nice. So you can customize it your own way. As you can tell, I did. Roman numerals, and this is our wedding anniversary. I don't know if you guys can see it clearly or not. Yeah. Alright. Look how shiny that is. This is so pretty. And you can also let them know which what length you want the necklace to be. I believe I got either 18-inch or a 22-inch. They also show you like what is the average, and I pretty much just got the average. And see what it looks like. Some people I saw, they can do their name or their last name or the name of their significant other or the name of their children. I wanted to do Roman numerals. I've always had a thing for Roman numerals. So I wanted something near and dear to my heart, and that is our anniversary, the day that we got married. Oh my gosh, guys, look at that. I've always wanted a bar necklace. Like, you guys don't even know, I've been wanting it for so long, and it's been in my Etsy favorites for a long time. Yes, check it out. I'm very, very impressed, and it's very, very sleek. So they etched it in, and it feels really nice. It's very smooth. You guys, I'm excited for this. Okay, so overall, I really like this jewelry brand. It feels really good. Like, it's very sleek and clean cut and everything. Because you know, sometimes when you get things that are etched in and you can still feel like the graininess of it, does not have it at all. I'm so happy I finally got a bar necklace. Okay guys, so overall I really like this, and I just want to let you know that I do have a discount code for you. I'm going to link everything, all the deals that they're having right now in the sales, and the discount code down below in the description box. So I know they are having a huge like sale and deal right now up until September 2nd, so make sure you put your orders in before then. You can get free stuff with your orders, so I'm just saying, like, guys, free stuff, might as well do it. Let me show you guys what all they're having. They have free logo earrings for any orders. They even are offering 15% off over $150 if you use a code, and they also are doing 10 free orders every day. So just go ahead and make an account and then see what you can get with that. They are also giving away free Jeulia watch for their top 10 customers, and they have a flash sale up to 70% off. 70% off, guys. Like, I'd be happy with just 25% off, nonetheless 50% off, but like 70%, that's practically like such a good deal, especially for jewelry, because jewelry, if you upkeep them and everything, they're gonna last for a very long time. So definitely check out everything down below in the description bar for all the deals and sales and all that good stuff. I'm gonna hit you guys up with that and help you guys out. But yeah, definitely check them out if you're looking for nice jewelry, good quality jewelry, from earrings to rings, engagement rings, wedding bands, and even necklaces. Like, definitely check it out. It's such a great gift for your friends, your families, and with the holidays coming up, you definitely want to get a good deal for good jewelry. But yes, that's all I have for you guys. I'm so satisfied, so happy with this right now. I'm definitely gonna wear it like every day. It matches with everything. You can wear it casual, you can even wear it like, it just looks so good, even like classy and everything. But yeah, I'm really excited. So thank you so much, guys. That is my review for today. I hope you guys have a great day, week, weekend, wherever you guys are. I'll see you later.